Hi, everyone. My name is Mary Chasen. I have been connected with Putney Student Travel since I was 18, since I was a student. My trip with Putney Student Travel as a student was in Australia, and I was actually there on a scholarship. And a moment that really stood out to me was forming this connection with our bus driver. And I actually got to interview him for a student magazine we were putting together. The best part of this story is last year I led a student travel program in Australia, connected with one of the local partners, and I told him about that article, that special moment I shared. And he said, "Wait a minute, can I hear this interview?" And he was like, "That's my cousin." That just like synchronicity was kind of wild. Putney Student Travel changed the trajectory of my whole life, and I don't say that lightly. Never thought I would travel. I never thought I would fulfill my dreams of working with wildlife. Just getting the opportunity to travel and to study wildlife made me realize it was all possible. Cultivating that belief in yourself will open up more doorways.